You want to talk beauty? Oh, this is it. It is elegance all the way. Just look at the chrome and the bright work in this beautiful metallic red. 1947 Mercury Convertible. And it is a true custom. There is a lot of tricks been done on the car, but you have to look for them. It's been nosed, it's been decked. The handles have been shaved. Notice the windshield? That's right. It is a convertible with a 2-inch chop. She is beautiful with the top on or the top off. She makes a statement. And she is meant to be driven. It is running an LT1 Corvette 350 fuel-injected engine. Oh, it just sounds beautiful. Just hit the key every time. Rock solid. Mated to a T56 transmission, 6-speed manual, so you have all the overdrive gears for the highway. Mustang 2 front ends, disc brakes, rack and pinion, powered steering, powered windows, powered trunk, powered top. Even has cruise control. This car is fully loaded and it is beautiful to drive. You'll love this car. As we walk around the car, it does have a couple of little chips, like right here, and right below it. But if you stand away from the car, you're not going to see them, but they are there. The car has been driven, right? Now, the only thing that I would really want to fix and point out for you is that these 3 little marks are right on the top there. Those are not the end of all. A good painter can simply blend those in. It's not that hard to fix. A couple of rock chips on the car. But literally, that is all that's really on the car. But I wanted you to be aware of it. There is another switch for the doors. If you peel this back, you'll see this. That is a switch for your door. That'll pop your door open. We're going to take a look at the console. Here's a series of switches that are on the console. The two that are on the outside are for the doors. That would be for the driver's side window. This is for the trunk release. It is a power trunk release. That is for the passenger window. And that is for the passenger door. We're looking at the AC. It's in several spots. You have the two that are on the console. You have the defrost, and then on both the passenger and the driver's door. All right, how to open the hood on the car. You see where the emergency brake is. All the way by the kick panel. You see the knob? You have to pull that first. That'll open the hood. Now on opening the hood, we have already pulled the cable that's inside the car. Now just simply lift, and you have a safety latch. Just push it in and lift upwards. This is a heavy hood, so it has its own stand, slides in, just like that. We're going to take a look at how you open the convertible top. In the center console, you just simply open the box. In the box, that is the switch to raise and lower the convertible top. The next step, before you drop the top, unbutton. Make sure these are nice and loose. Now a good idea before putting down a convertible top, see how the window is zipped in, is to unzip the window and to lay it down. Here we are on the 47 Mercury. I wanted to show you a very unique feature. Just simply open the panel. You see these? These are for either jumping the car or for your battery tender. With the car, these are all the build information, a complete documentation from day one, including all the photos of the build that shows this car completely torn down to the frame being built up. If you are looking for a car that you're absolutely going to fall in love with, it is perfect for your family, it's perfect for your friends. And what do I mean by that? I mean this car is fully loaded and it's ready for the road. It has a Mustang 2 front end and the disc brakes, the rack and pinion, and the power steering. That covers you riding on the road, but it has the performance as well. That's what makes it rock solid. It has a Corvette LT1 350 fuel injected, mated to a T56 6-speed manual. So you have all the gears for the highway cruising. It is done, and it is powered everything. You have the AC and the powered windows and the powered top and the powered trunk, powered leather seats. Car has everything that you'll ever need in a classic cruiser. This is it. It is ready. We've just tuned. Everything on the car is done. Any gaskets that needed to be done, the full tune-up, everything. We even charge the AC for you. It is perfect. It is ready for you.